In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HubSpot meeting scheduler. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a little refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the basics step by step so you can start scheduling your meetings effortlessly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. This is your starting point and it's where you'll access all of HubSpot's powerful tools that help streamline your business operations. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. It's usually located in the upper right corner, so go ahead and click on that. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, now's the time to create one. Otherwise, log in using your existing credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen, which is essentially your control center for all the features HubSpot has to offer. From here, we'll need to access the library. On the sidebar or menu, there's an option labeled Library. Click it as this will take you where we need to set up your meetings. Within the library section, you are going to find an option for the meeting scheduler. Click on it and you'll be taken to the meeting scheduler interface. This is where the magic happens. The meeting scheduler is a fantastic tool that allows you to organize your appointments easily and provides a simple way for others to book time with you, directly syncing with your calendar to eliminate those tedious back and forth scheduling emails. After selecting the meeting scheduler, look for the Get Started button. It's your gateway to setting everything up. Once you click Get Started, HubSpot will guide you through a few customization options so you can tailor your meeting page to suit your needs. You'll have the chance to decide many things like available time slots, those busy periods when you're unlikely available, or even specify details about the kinds of meetings you're setting up. Once you've explored those initial settings, it's time to create your scheduling page. Simply look for the Create Scheduling Page option and give it a click. Here, you can finalize the design and layout of your scheduling page, ensuring it's both welcoming and informative for anyone who might want to meet with you. Don't forget to review the options for integrating with other calendar tools. It's a huge time saver. And there you have it. You now know the basics of setting up your HubSpot meeting scheduler. With these steps, you should be able to streamline your appointment bookings and increase productivity without any unnecessary hassle. Remember, the more you use it, the more efficient you become. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.